Today, I speak as a Kurdish boy, and also for a people who have suffered for years, often in silence, often forgotten. In Aleppo, in Sheikh Maqsoud and Al Ashrafiyeh, we were not fighters, we were civilians, children, women and the elderly. Our neighborhoods were besieged, our homes were bombed, hunger and fear were used as weapons, children died without bread, the sick died without medicine. After the fall of Assad's regime, we hoped for justice. But instead, a new brutal regime came to power under Al-Jolani, bringing new war crimes and new suffering, and the world remained silent. I call on the United Nations, on Europe and on Germany. Do not look away. Stop these crimes. Hold the perpetrators accountable. A man with blood on his hands must never be accepted as a political partner. The Kurdish people do not ask for pity. We demand protection. We demand truth and we demand justice.